Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a cozy and energizing drink that blends two favorites, coffee and golden milk. This turmeric golden latte with espresso is warm, creamy, and full of rich spices like turmeric and cinnamon, combined with bold espresso for the perfect boost. It's comforting, slightly sweet, and packed with flavor. Let's jump in and make this beautiful golden latte together. Ingredients: 1 shot espresso or cup strong brewed coffee, 1 cup milk whole, almond, oat, or coconut milk, your teaspoon ground turmeric, your teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 small pinch ground ginger, 1 small pinch black pepper, helps activate turmeric, 2 teaspoons honey or maple syrup, teaspoon vanilla extract, optional garnish cinnamon dust or turmeric sprinkle. Directions: start by brewing a fresh shot of espresso or strong coffee and set it aside. In a small saucepan over low to medium heat, pour in the milk. Add the turmeric, cinnamon, ginger, and black pepper. Whisk the mixture gently while heating. Continue stirring for about 2-3 minutes until the milk becomes warm and slightly frothy. Avoid boiling, as gentle heat keeps the milk smooth and creamy. Next, stir in the honey or maple syrup and vanilla extract. Taste the mixture and adjust sweetness if needed. Pour the freshly brewed espresso into a mug. Slowly add the warm spiced milk mixture over the espresso, stirring gently to combine the flavors. For a beautiful finishing touch, sprinkle a little cinnamon or turmeric on top. You can also add a light foam layer if you have a milk frother. This turmeric golden latte with espresso delivers a comforting balance of earthy spices, creamy milk, and bold coffee, perfect for mornings or relaxing afternoon breaks. And that's how you make a comforting turmeric golden latte with espresso at home. It's warm, creamy, and full of cozy spice flavors with a gentle coffee boost. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more coffee and cozy drink recipes, and share it with friends who love unique lattes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com, 3 Coffee Lover.